Hi, I'm Dr. Swarchla, Scientific Director with Ziva Fertility Centers. In IVF, to support your early pregnancy, something called as Crinone gel is recommended and prescribed. Let's try to find out what this is. Crinone is a vaginal gel containing micronized progesterone. It is a hormone which is necessary and essential for preparing the uterus to receive and support an embryo. After ovulation or egg retrieval in IVF, natural progesterone production can be suppressed or inefficient. That's why we supplement it. During a natural cycle after ovulation, the corpus luteum in the ovary produces progesterone to thicken and stabilize the endometrial lining. What is the corpus luteum? The follicle which has released the egg is called as the corpus luteum. In IVF, especially when medications are used to stimulate the ovaries or when eggs are retrieved, the body's natural or normal hormone production can be disrupted. Crinone then provides the support needed to maintain a receptive uterine environment, which is critical for implantation. How does this work? Crinone gel is administered vaginally, usually once or twice daily. It delivers progesterone directly to the uterus and surrounding pelvic tissues, bypassing the liver. This means better local absorption, fewer systemic side effects, and consistent hormone levels where we need them the most. Unlike oral progesterone, which can cause fatigue or nausea, and intramuscular injections which can be painful, Crinone offers a gentler, user-friendly alternative. Crinone is typically started after ovulation or embryo transfer and continued till the pregnancy test. If pregnancy occurs, it may be continued until about 10 to 12 weeks gestation. When the placenta starts producing enough progesterone on its own, this supplementation can be stopped. Some women may experience mild vaginal irritation or discharge, and because Crinone is a gel, residue buildup in the vagina can occur. It's harmless, but always communicate with your doctor if you notice anything unusual. If you wish to understand more about this, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.